Oh man, oh man, oh man, I finally get to fly the sidewalk! I get to fly the sidewalk! Oh, every time I go looking at that sidewalk, there's always somebody walking down the street or somebody walking their dog, or it's just too early or too late. And I got it all to myself. I'm flying this thing up and down, baby. One side to the other. Straight down the sidewalk. Okay, maybe that seems a lot less exciting to you than it seems to me. But it seems really exciting to me. I've been wanting to fly this for ages. You can run into the sign. Oh, look at that. Straight shot down, baby. Nobody around for miles. It's all mine. The sidewalk is all mine. Hey there, I'm in the booth. Okay, let's turn this sucker back around. I think some cars might be coming in the distance. Oh, man. I even got the intersection to myself. This place is dead. Except for me. I am the life. I am the life of this place. And it's all mine. Mine. Oh, shit. Don't run in the pole. Okay. Ah, man. What the? God, the friggin' lens. Okay, bring her down. Bringing her down. Calming. Other one. Other joystick. Down. Okay, we're good.